Tere! Today we will look into the infinitives. In Estonian there are two infinitive forms. The first one is called the ma infinitive, like reisima. And this is also the first form you can find in the dictionaries. The other one is called the ta infinitive, like reisida. You can see that they both translate as to travel in English. But in Estonian we have two infinitives. And today we can see when do you use each of them. The da infinitive is actually more common than the ma infinitive. You can think of the da form as something more hypothetical. We use the da form when we want to do something, or like to do, or can do something, but maybe we're actually not doing these activities. For example, ma tahan reisida. I want to travel. Mulle meeldib reisida. I like to travel, or I like traveling. Ma võin reisida. I can travel. Also, we use the da infinitive in the constructions like et reisida, in order to travel. And after an adjective, on hea reisida, it is good to travel, or on igav reisida, it is boring to travel, or traveling is boring. The ma infinitive is used with all the motion verbs. For instance, ma lähen reisima, I go traveling. Also with the verb hakkama, which means to start doing something. So in a way it can also be seen as a movement. Ma hakkan reisima, I will start traveling, or I start traveling. The ma infinitive is also used with the verb that expresses the obligation. Ma pean reisima, I have to travel, I must travel. To summarize, the da infinitive is used when the activity is somewhat more hypothetical, mostly. And the ma infinitive is used with the verbs expressing the movement or obligation. Also, don't forget that the da form is much more common, so when in doubt, just use the da form. So this was a short overview when you would use the two infinitive forms in Estonian. In the next video, we will look into the form of the da infinitive. Aitäh!